I traveled to Atlanta all the way from Detroit, Michigan. I own We Create Events, and I do offer draping. I do full decor for all events. And I definitely needed to polish up on my draping. It was something that I was self-taught. And so I definitely needed more guidance on how to do different designs and everything. And so I traveled to Atlanta to take the master draping class with Precious Stevens from the Posh Academy, and it was awesome. I definitely learned new techniques. She was very patient. She gave a lot of information, and it was just awesome. So if you're ever thinking about polishing up on your draping skills or starting from no experience at all, it's a great class to take. I definitely think you should take it, for sure.